Welcome to week 3 of Fundamentals of Nutrition. This week we're going to begin looking at the macronutrients in the diet, in particular carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Specifically this week we'll be talking about carbohydrates, which is a hot topic these days. It seems that every fad diet and exercise program has their opinion of carbohydrate and whether it is good or bad. For instance, for those doing CrossFit, they tend to follow a paleo eating style, which favors a low carb consumption. As you review the PowerPoints, keep in mind that carbohydrate is the body's primary source of fuel or energy, and not all carbohydrates are created equal. This carbohydrate group is a huge umbrella of sugars, starches, and fibers, which include not only concentrated sweets, candies, and desserts, but also the bread, cereal, and grain group, which can be loaded with whole grains and valuable nutrients when you select the right ones. Starchy vegetables like potatoes, peas, corn, and kidney beans are also higher in carbohydrate than other vegetables. We treat these starchy vegetables just like they're a slice of bread, but remember they do contain beneficial fiber and lots of great vitamins and minerals. Fruit is under this carbohydrate umbrella, and while it is all carbohydrate, remember that it's complex carbohydrate, enveloped in fiber when whole fresh fruit is chosen. Dairy is another carb that contains very important minerals and protein. All of these carbohydrates in their whole fresh food state are unprocessed and contain valuable nutrients along with energy to keep our bodies well fueled. In fact, our heart and brain preferentially require carbohydrate for fuel. Diminishing or restricting carb consumption diminishes our physical and mental well-being. These are important things to keep in mind because some folks with diabetes or those trying to lose weight incorrectly believe they should avoid all carbohydrates. Instead, it's relevant to understand that healthy carbs in proper portions are what is required, and it's added sugars in processed foods that require scrutiny and caution. There are 3 MindTap assignments this week. Let's see if we can look into those. So we've got a closer look assignment on hormones and glucose levels. Then we've got a carbohydrate overview and a short case study on added sugars and lactose. Be sure to take quiz 1. And I see that quiz 2 is going to become available later in the week as well. But be sure to take quiz. I apologize. That is quiz 2 that we want to look at. Do stay caught up on the weekly work since exam 1 is right around the corner. Have a great week.